everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is nothing short of amazing. You will love this. This was designed by Christy Fountain, advertising for IP Casino, and produced by my good friends at Hederman Brothers in Madison, Mississippi. This piece, oh my gosh, I'm just going to dive right in because you're going to love it. This is an invitation for an event called The Greatest New Year's Eve on Earth, and it's got this really nice, interesting shape. Of course, was mailed in an envelope. But when it opens up, there's a spread, and it's got this wonderful dimensional scene, and it says the Bearded Lady. It's got information about the event, and then turn the page, and there's another dimensional scene, the Strong Man. And then a third one, the Fire Eater. And each spread has information on this event, so you can see here that this goes all the way around. It's technically not a carousel piece, but it takes on kind of a carousel format. It's just more paginated than that. It's different spreads. So it was awesome of them to send me the materials to show you guys how this thing came together. So it's so neat how they engineered this. So look at this. These each spread is a broadside box pop-up. So there's a slit right here, score, 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 folds up, and then folds in the opposing direction. See how that works and creates the box? So down, up, and in. So all three spreads are done that way. These two are connected. So this one also does it. This is the cover right here. So these fold up, and then they basically kind of accordion fold together. See how that works? Okay, and then the last spread is one more of these. This is the back cover, and then it just folds like this and glues to this back panel. And that's how it all kind of comes together. These were done on an 80-pound gloss coated cover, printed offset for color with a soft touch coating. Also a flat foil gold stamp on the front cover. And die score hand fold. They did about 15,000 of these. Just brilliant design, brilliant production execution. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Amazing dimensional circus invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded symbols, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.